Good afternoon, everybody. Saturday afternoon at the Cook Shack. I haven't been on made a video in the past 3 months, probably 3 months. It's been so brutally hot here under the metal roof on this Cook Shack. It's not forgiving in the summer months, but we did lower the temperature about 25, 27 degrees. We put a white not a membrane, but a white paint that it's rubberized. And the first day we actually recorded between 26 and 27 degrees. So I wish I'd have done that a year ago, but hindsight's 2020. Okay, folks, let's get into it. Here's what we're going to do. Let me walk on the other side of the shack here, and I'm going to bring over what we have here today. We have a picanha with a beautiful fat cap on it. It's just really nice. She weighs in at 4.2 pounds. We got her all skewered up. Let's put her in here. Sizzle, baby, sizzle. We dry brine this thing with a little bit of salt here for the past couple of days. Wrapped it up, and I use like a handy wrap type deal, and you can use anything you want to. But boy, we got the fire going back there today. Bertha is kicking. She's showing her booty today, buddy. She's hot back there. That would have felt good this morning at about 6:30 or 7 o'clock. But as long as you're in the shadows, you get a little bit of sunlight here today, we're okay. But not compared to the rest of the nation up north and out west. I'll take this any day. See those embers underneath that grill grate? I'm going to try not to do something stupid here. I mean, it won't take too much for me to get out of whack here. She's coming along, buddy. Look at that. Let's show her a little love here over here on the meat side. I'll probably wind up taking this and taking the skewer off of it and cook it in the steaks and cutting it into steaks and show you guys the cut. And keep in mind, mine's pretty much on the rare side. Okay, that's the way I like it. Sizzle, baby. You can't hurt that. Nice, clean fire. Very clean. It's nice. Let's tidy up here a little bit now. Bertha's kicking. Pardon me for a little bit while I'm going to push these logs to the back before they fall toward the front. That's just what I wanted right there. That's good. 2 weeks ago, Thursday, this past Thursday, I went to the Capitol, had a meeting with our Ag Commissioner, Mr. Wilton Simpson. He's a great guy. We had a great meeting, other than the interruptions that we had, which were probably about 24 of them. But a day ago, 2 days ago, I met Senator Keith Truenow down in Lake County, and great guy. I hadn't talked to Keith, met with him face to face probably in about 5 years, and he served his time in the House. He's termed out in the House, and now he's in the Senate. And a great guy. He's very agricultural minded. Grew up in agriculture. He really understands it. He's great. He's going to be a good. I think one day he'll be a great Ag Commissioner. I think he's chair of the Senate Ag Committee right now at the Capitol. But shout out to you and Wilton. If you guys didn't have such a busy schedule, you could be over here at the cook shack and getting some of this sweetness here. Look at that. But again, I just want to extend my thanks for both of these guys, and especially Keith. And he understands the situation I'm in with concerning wildlife and Florida panther, and beyond that, the eastern cougar. He understands. And shout out to Mr. Chris up in Lake City, and also over in the Panhandle, Mr. Patrick Delaney over to Deseret Ranch. All right. But guys, let me get back to it here. Got a good piece of meat here, and I don't want to screw it up. When you get a situation like this is what you do. You just pull it off. Sorry about that. I was checking my light meter on the camera. Yeah, we might just pull this off the skewer here in a bit, just for the heck of it. Here, I'm gonna do something. I want to just take a little reading here. We got a ways to go, folks. Oh yeah. Let's get on that fat cap a little bit more. Let her burn down a little bit. When we do this, folks, we're gonna take this thing off the skewer. I got me a little spot picked out here on the mantle of Big Bertha. Just turn her around here a little bit. Let's pull it out here and take her off the skewer. All right. Let's do a cut on this thing. Let's cut her into steaks. Here we go, folks. I think you can see that. Oh, son. Hot. Tell you what. Can't beat that. Put in there just a little bit. Show her a little love. Won't take much. Won't take much at all. Pardon me here. Let me refocus the camera. Bertha's kicking today. You know what? I'm going to put my glove on here. Shout out also to my buddy up in North Georgia, up in the mountains there. He's Leo Miranda. He has a conservation group, Conservation Without Conflict, www.conservation without conflict. Take a click on it and see what you think. Get back to me. Great guy. He was the past director of U.S. Fish and Wildlife Southeastern Division. Great guy. What do you think, guys? Look at that. I think it'd be a shame to even go any farther with this. Came out really good. Very happy with this. There's your fat cap right there. Very good. This is really going to be great. Gosh, I thought I dropped it. But we're going to wrap this up. Appreciate it. Again, Mr. Truenow and Mr. Simpson, thank you for your time. I appreciate your support and everything. And looking forward to working with you in the future. We're going to wrap this thing up and get out of here now. We'll go in here and try to edit this video. Appreciate everything, and watch us for the next one. Click and subscribe if you want to, and or put us in the trash. I'll talk to you later. See you. Thank you, folks.